अब रिजू जी से मुझे सीखना पड़ रहा है। अरे रूल मैं भी ले रहा हूं ना, और आपके चेंबर में आके बोलते हैं रोज वही लिख के आकर पढ़ते हैं। ये अगर रूल्स नहीं पढ़ूंगा, अगर मेरा मैटर अगर नहीं पढ़ूंगा, क्या तुम दिए तो मैं पढ़ूं?
Or you gave him time and the leader of opposition spoke. As a person, he is a senior member, he is also leader of opposition. But he has not quoted any rules. Whether he is the opposition member or ruling party. You cannot give direction to the chair. You can only make request.
अब रिजू जी से मुझे सीखना पड़ रहा है। अरे रूल मैं भी ले रहा हूं ना, और आपके चेंबर में आके बोलते हैं रोज वही लिख के आकर पढ़ते हैं। ये अगर रूल्स नहीं पढ़ूंगा, अगर मेरा मैटर अगर नहीं पढ़ूंगा, क्या तुम दिए तो मैं पढ़ूं? अरे इट इज माई राइट व्हाट टू स्पीक, व्हेन टू स्पीक, हाउ टू स्पीक। This is the rule book, and this rule book, what it says, you are insulting my member. And Pawan Khera, you took his name, and you are insulting him as if you are everything. And sir, just I want, we raised only genuine questions concerning to the country, concerning 140 crores people asked us question, and we are asking only Home Minister, Prime Minister should come to a statement. We are asking nothing. There should be a statement. I am ready to have a debate. So that's why I have brought the note.
Please take your seat. Please take your
I
seat.
request you, sir.
Please take
You
your seat.
direct Prime
Please take your
Minister.
seat.
You direct Home Minister. They should come here, give their statement. We are ready to discuss.
Now,
We are ready to discuss.
okay.
And
Okay,
he should
I will
not-
put it. I will put it.
He
You
should
please
not make
No.
any comments. He has no right
You put your
to
request.
speak
I will
against
look into
me.
it. You have made
He
your
should not-
request. I will look into it.
He
Now
can't say
I
that so
request.
should you speak like
Now I
Can you
will-
direct me?
No.
You can direct me, sir.
Sir.
You can direct.
No.
He has not
Honorable
authority
Kharge ji,
to
you
tell
have put
us
your request.
what I want
The
to
government
speak.
side want to
How he is
respond.
going to
No.
speak.
You have put your request. I request.
Sir,
Now the government is willing to
This
respond.
rule
Let
in
me
the same
call the
rule.
Honorable
Sir,
Minister
I
for
will
Parliament
read one
Affairs. Let him
I
respond.
will read. No allegations of defamatory
1 minute. Let him.
or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any other member or a member of the House unless
Please,
the member
please.
asking the allegation
What
has
is the
given-
problem? Let him
Sir,
speak.
He, our Pawan Khera ji, he is standing. For them, who is he? He don't know the rules.
Our honorable minister is sitting here. He is going to say why you are shouting.
Know the rules. He is learned man, good man, and you are telling that he should read.
Okay, I will
The
ask him.
rules are like this.
I will ask
The
him.
rules everybody knows.
Right.
And sir, I want to tell one example. In this house, this means the Rajya Sabha, there, the Jaitley ji himself said, disruption is a part of democracy, partial of democracy. You can raise any questions which are relevant to the proceedings. Here, when we are asking, they are escaping. They are,
That is not correct.
No.
That is not correct. Let him. I will ask him to
sir,
respond.
why the Prime Minister is not coming?
Honorable minister.
Why the Home Minister is not coming?
He is responding.
Why they are
He is responding to your
He is
question.
always, sir.
No, he is responding to your question. I have already called Honorable Minister for Parliament Affairs to respond.
Something that leader of opposition will make some rules
as a point to speak. I quoted 2 rules. He has not quoted any rules. He stood up. Sir, you gave him time and the leader of opposition spoke. As a person, he is a senior member. He is also a leader of opposition. But he has not quoted any rules.
Let me ask him. You please wait. You please wait.
I reiterate again, Rule 240. I had already quoted that time also. That while you had given him chance to speak every day, he kept on raising the same matter which he raised for 7 days. That is why the rule was specifically mentioned that a member cannot refer to the same matter which he has already spoken with the permission of the chair. Whether he is the opposition member or ruling party, you cannot give direction to the chair. You can only make requests. You can demand. It is your right. But you cannot dictate the house and you cannot pass any direction to the chair. On the matter with regarding to the new member, I want to facilitate the new member. Pawan Khera is a new member. As a parliamentary affairs minister, I want to facilitate him. But the problem is, he has not made his maiden speech yet. There was enough ample chance for a member to speak. There are so many other members who have been elected newly, they got chance. The Congress party, they kept shouting their new members are not learning anything because their leadership is not giving them chance. He is unable to speak. I only made suggestion that he is neither on his seat nor on any rule, coming in the floor, right in front of the chair and kept shouting slogans. That is why, that is against the rule. I request once again, let the new member be given the chance to speak. The Congress party should give the young members or the new members chance. My point is as per rule, but I'm sorry, the leader of the opposition did not quote any rule, did not mention any rule. He simply dictated the chair. But I request Khargeji, I request once again, let the house function.
Now I request you to consider his request that he requested the Home Minister to come to the house. You represented to it. It is his will. But you, as a parliamentary affairs minister, you can echo the sentiments of the opposition to the HM.
I have accepted whatever they have.
Now, I'm coming back to you. Now, Tiwari ji,
Sir,
first.
I think this is a question hour. This is question hour. And they have enough disrupted the question hour. LOP has made a point, but we have a collective responsibility. He cannot dictate which minister to come on which date.
No.
We have a system.
He is not dictating. No. He is not dictating. He has put his request. No. Let me complete. No, I observe you. No. He is not dictating the terms. He put the sentiments of them. It is as the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, you have to reflect the sentiments to the HM. That is my request.